Hi, today I'm making a choker. My first inspiration for this one was a Bimba&lola choker. I'm gonna put a picture here. This black choker with a lot of things hanging. There were gummy bears and spiders. It was very funky, very colorful. But as I was picking the beads I was gonna use, I realized I had picked very monochromatic palette. It was all purple and lilac, so it kind of changed to something more like this. This is another picture I had saved. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I recently watched this French designer fashion show. Her name is Marine Serre. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but she's really cool, and she made these denim chokers that also had stuff hanging. So yeah, I guess that's kind of the inspiration for this one. And yeah, and here's my material. I got this velvet ribbon, this tool, pin, clasp, rings, and this is to finish it. This is for pressing the ribbon, and then you put the clasp and your ring. And I have my beads here. So first thing, I'm gonna measure my neck. I really like chokers. Some people don't like them. They think they're uncomfortable, and I don't know. I really like them. I think they frame your face so you look better. I don't know. So I have my choker here, and now I'm gonna put this little things. They have like teeth to press, like this, to press the ribbon. There it is. Now, using my pins, they have a little flat part at the bottom. I'm going to put the beads one by one. And this is what mine looks like. So I've only done this a couple times before, but I think it looks good. Now with my needle, I'm gonna use my needle, and I'm gonna pierce the velvet like closer to the edge so the beads can hang, not right in the middle. I'm gonna pierce. I'm gonna leave it there and immediately put the bead, like piercing someone's ear, something like that. Like you take the needle out and you immediately put the bead. And this is my final result. And now I'm gonna try it on. I probably should have worn something different, but this is what it looks like.